Hi all, I am Sandra Mariam Simon. Today I am going to talk to you about the topic costs of form work. We had already studied what is a form work, its objectives, its requirements and different types of form work. Now we have to study about costs of form work. Let's move on to that. Okay, what is a costs of form work? It is the total amount needed for all stages of construction of formwork or establishment of formwork. It is highly dependent on the complexity of the construction project. For an ordinary structure, cost varies from 30 to 40% of the cost of concrete, but for a special construction or structures like dams, bridges, etc., cost of formwork may go as high as 50 to 60% of the cost of concrete. There are mainly four components that controls the costs of formwork. They are cost of formwork material. When we study types of formwork, there are formwork types based on materials like timber formwork, steel formwork, aluminum formwork, etc. So, cost of formwork material contributes to the total cost of formwork. Then second one is cost of erecting, placing and removal of formwork. That means the cost required for the construction of formwork or all stages of formwork. Then the third one is cost of joining material. Joining material means nails, wires, ties, that is etc. that can be used for or that is used for combining formwork structures. And the fourth one is the cost of labor for fabrication of formwork. Usually we have to be very careful that the cost of formwork should be minimum to achieve overall economy of the concrete work. Moving on to various costs or different types of costs of formwork. Generally, cost of formwork includes initial cost, reuse cost, maintenance and storage cost, and transportation cost. The first one is initial cost. What is initial cost? It is the amount or capital needed for the purchase of formwork. That means money that we have to be spent or invested up to the establishment or formation of formwork. The second one is reuse cost. Reuse means the same material can be used more than once for the same purpose and it will reduce the cost and time. Reusability depends on the nature of construction. The third one is maintenance and storage cost. If the formwork is used many times, it becomes uneven and affects the final appearance of finished structure. So it must be checked and repaired. Formwork should be kept well oiled to prevent delamination of plywood or rusting of steel or aluminum, etc. So the maintenance requires cost. The cost for maintenance work is known as maintenance cost. After work, the formation or formwork cannot be placed anywhere without any attention. So it should be kept in safe and sound place. Any formwork with steel components cannot be exposed to moisture. So it must be kept in dry place. Timber formwork should avoid direct sunlight, etc. So formwork needs storage. The cost for storage is known as storage cost. And the last one is transportation cost. As you know, the formwork must be transported from storage to site or from site to another site. So it requires cost for transportation. It is called transportation cost. Next is for the detailed estimation of costs of formwork, it consists of material cost, labor cost, plant and equipment cost. First one is material cost. The materials like plywood, lumber, foam ties, nails, etc. needed for the construction of formwork. Cost required for these materials is known as material cost. It can be of two types, direct cost and consumable cost. Direct cost is the cost of formwork. That means if one person owns a formwork, no need for spending money to purchase the formwork initially. But in case of consumable cost, if a person takes formwork by rent, it is consumable cost. He has to pay initial cost every time during renting. Next is labor cost. It is the total cost invested or given to all the laborers during formation of formwork. It consists of making cost, erection and dismantling cost, cleaning cost, etc. Erection and dismantling cost means the manpower required for the construction of formwork, and after work it should be dismantled also need laborers. After setting of concrete, the dismantled formwork needs to be cleaned and kept it free from dirt, and it also requires laborers. For all these works, the wages given to all the laborers considered as labor cost. And the last one is plant and equipment cost. It is the cost associated with owning and operating the equipment needed for the construction of formwork. That's all about costs of formwork. Thank you.